DASUNG Link 2 is an essential eye protection tool designed for long-time mobile phone users. It features a 6.7-inch, 300 ppi high-definition e-ink screen that adopts a pure reflective imaging principle, delivering zero blue light, zero flicker, and zero glare. This fundamentally eliminates eye damage caused by electronic screens, ensuring no soreness or fatigue even after prolonged continuous use. The display quality rivals that of high-quality printed paper with sharp and clear text, rich grayscale levels, and excellent readability even in strong sunlight. At its core lies DASUNG's self-developed 60 Hz LCD-level ultra-high refresh rate technology, which offers more than 6 times the refresh speed of traditional e-ink screens. This completely solves the common problems of stuttering and ghosting on e-ink displays, making browsing Facebook, reading official accounts, editing documents, and surfing the web smooth and fluid with an experience close to that of ordinary LCD screens. Paired with the all-new AutoClear automatic ghosting elimination algorithm, it automatically removes residual images, keeping the screen clean and transparent even during extended use. It is fully compatible with Android, HarmonyOS, and iOS systems. No complex software installation is required. One-tap wireless screen mirroring is available via Miracast or AirPlay protocols, ensuring stable and uninterrupted connections. It supports low-latency reverse touch control, allowing you to directly operate your phone from the large screen with precise responses to taps, swipes, and pinches, enabling seamless message replies and document editing. The device features a unibody aluminum alloy design, measuring only 7 mm thick and weighing 155 grams, making it easy to slip into a pocket or commuter bag. It comes in 2 classic colors, space gray and glacier blue, offering a minimalist and premium look. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh large capacity battery and compatible with third-party magnetic card-style power banks, it provides worry-free battery life. Without needing to replace your phone, it can instantly transform your device into an eye-friendly e-ink screen, making it the ideal companion for commuting reading, office work, studying, and home leisure.